Welcome to this series of introductory tutorials to the Talisman Suite 6. My name is Chris. I am the developer, designer and graphic artist for this development. When you first go into Talisman Suite 6, you're greeted by this splash screen. The current version is 6.8.57. Anything previous to that you should really update. Imagenesis.co.uk is the website where you can pick up this software. This software is freeware. It should not cost you a penny. This is being given away as freeware because Visual Basic 6 is no longer being supported, and its main development was for XP. However, Windows 7 runs this quite well. This is licensed to any single user on a single PC. Corporate licenses are needed for telephone call center based companies. Welcome to this tutorial. This is a tutorial for the I Ching. The I Ching is all brand new, all fresh off the press last week. Originally there was only the reader, and then I added this. We'll start with the editor. From the editor you can actually edit the information in any fashion that you like, and just click to the next record and that information is saved. Now, as you can see from here, the lower line is selected, and you've got a graphic that actually shows you which one you're on, and it changes the diary interface so that you can actually get all the information. Now, the anomaly about the first two records, 1 and 2, is that they have this piece of information which is all lines. When you go past that, there isn't any more, right to the end of records. And you can step up them. You can select by name. You can select by number. So it's got many ways of actually moving around the record set so that you can actually change the information as suits your purposes. And typing it will change anything you want. And that is the editor for the I Ching. So you can change all of the meanings as they stand, including for the hexagram, judgment, the image, lower line, so, and that is that. This is the reader for the I Ching. You cannot edit anything in here. This is for selecting the reading for your client. It works in the same fashion. You can select by number, you can select by name. You can also select by graphics. You can change the client. So John Wayne has he has 2 I Ching readings already. So we'll pick somebody who hasn't. There you are. Prince of Persia has no readings of any kind anywhere. So what we'll do is, before we go through the rest of the interface, we'll go through the key presses for it. A new reading, which is a random high probability reading. It's not just a random number generator. It's a random high probability generator. So you can do Control N for that, Control O for output, Control Load and Control Save. So I want you to watch what happens when I save this. The I Ching reads will go up 1 and the total will go up 1. So we'll just Control S, and there they are. Now that proves that the reading got saved, and that's the only proof you get about it until you actually go and try and load it. So we'll just load any other reading in. We've got an I Ching. John Wayne's got 1, so we'll accept that, and there's John Wayne his I Ching and the date it was done on. So we'll just go and load the one for Prince of Persia, done at 2144, 2145, and that's our reading for that. And you can't type anything up here at the moment. I will be adding another feature on this where you can add, you can actually type your notes up right here in the diary interface, and that's for future development. The client reading has been saved, and we'll now just go and have a look at it. So, as you can see, Prince of Persia was client number 6, and we will just save that out. Save it as Word, and we will just load something else, and there's Prince of Persia. First one there, we'll take a Jessica Rabbit, we'll take a tarot. There's a tarot, done previously for another tutorial, different graphics. The graphics for this one are the Rider-Waite deck. So we'll just go back and load Prince of Persia back up. Hi Prince, how's the new album coming along, man? Good to see you at the last gig. You get the idea. You can do your right up there and save it. Any changes to here, you just keep saving, and it will save it until you're finished with it, until you're happy with it. And then all you have to do is you need to know the number, as we got from here. His number is 6, his name is Prince Persia, it's in the I Ching, it's on this date, and it's roughly the time you remember you had to read it. It was about 9:30 or 9:45 or something like that. So you'll know which one you're looking for, and that is literally what this is all built around. You actually draw your hexagrams and input them into here, add the client to it, then output it, and you can save it, so you can actually recall that reading at that time and see what stone it was and see what the circumstances were all about. It's made very, very simple. Select by name, by number, or by picture. Change the client to suit yourself and output. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this reading.